My name is Amirun Iqmal bin Kusaini. I'm a history teacher at SK Kuala Kelawang Negeri Sembilan. Welcome to my video. Hello guys, on this video, I'm going to introduce Coding School 3. First and foremost, you must install Coding School 3 on your computer. It is highly recommended to use a computer with Windows 10 64-bit operating system. Coding School 3 is block coding based on Scratch. It has three areas, which is block area, coding area, execution area. To start coding CodeWiz, we need to connect CodeWiz with Coding School 3. It can be achieved by a simple micro USB connection and a click to start connection between these two elements. On block area, you could see there is a few categories of command block. For users that used to Scratch, this command block function the same like on Scratch. Categories that can be observed such as motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variable, my block, CodeWiz, and many more that can be added to fulfill your need. There is also a few types of block such as head block, stack block, boolean block, reporter block, C block, and cap block. Let's try to use this command block to test all the sensor and onboard component on CodeWiz. You could try to do a simple project with CodeWiz together with me. Let's make a mini project that consists of mic sensor and a passive buzzer. The first thing first, you need to put a CodeWiz program on top, and then you need to initiate passive buzzer, and then you put a bit of control. If then put a bit of operator block. Make sure it read the mic sensor in front, which means if the mic sensor reads more than 200 decibel, and then it will play a sound on passive buzzer. So play passive buzzer, tone C, octave 4. So put the word control forever. If my sensor more than 200, then play passive buzzer C, octave 4, bit 4, and then okay, let's try if it works. Test. You can hear the buzzer sound, passive buzzer. Test. Now let's try to do a mini project that consists of button, sensor, and OLED. Okay, first thing you need to run a CodeWiz program block, and then you need to put initiate OLED, because you want to use the OLED. First you need to initiate the OLED and then clear the OLED, because if you initiate the OLED, then you need to clear it first, and then you need to put a control block, which is forever, if then open operator. No need for operator, just need to read switch left button, and then whenever the left button switch is pressed, then it will print something, print string. You can put this Mirun TV Studio. With OLED, and then we need to clear the OLED if the left button is not pressed.
Then we just need to test it if it's working. Let's press this one, and then we try to press the OLED. You just need to press the left button to see if it's working. You could see there's a reading. There's a wording on top. Amiran TP Studios. Okay, it's working. Okay, for this next mini project, we want to use light sensor and NeoPixel. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing first is we need to put the CODEWIZ program, and then we need to initiate NeoPixel because we want to use the NeoPixel. So we need to initiate NeoPixel first, and then we want to put control forever because we want it to repeat infinitely. And then we want to put if then we want to do if the light sensor reading is less than 10, so we need to put the operator with the less than and then put the read light sensor in front. If you put if the reading of light sensor is less than 10, then we need to set all NeoPixel color as red. And then we want to do one more. If then we want to put operator is if the light sensor reading is more than 10, you want it to glow into green, so we need to put this one and set NeoPixel all color. We need to put it into green, and then we just initiate the CODEWIZ program. Okay, forever if red light sensor less than 10, then we will set all the NeoPixel color into red, and if the reading of light sensor is more than 10, it will set all NeoPixel color into green. So right now we could see the light sensor reading is 44 something, 39 something. Okay, and then if we put our finger over the light sensor, it will show the reading of reading of light sensor, and it will turn all the NeoPixel color into red. And then if you want to put the color differently, for example, you want to use blue, you just drag the color drop here and then just change it into blue. Okay, that's all.
When you finish writing your coding or building your command block for CodeWiz, we can upload it into CodeWiz to make it run independently without connection to computer. First check the code. Next, turn on Arduino mode and press upload. When upload is finished, you can disconnect CodeWiz from your computer and just use a simple power bank to power up your CodeWiz and execute code that you already wrote.